The day I buy a car, the day ke reka A45S yaka, that will be the day. Good morning, people. Sunborn and my dolls. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys enjoyed the Cape Town vlogs. I really hope you did, and if you didn't watch them, go back, watch them, come back to this video. Thank you. Anyway, today is a Monday morning, the 26th of May, and we have an exam. It's not really an exam, it's an assignment, it's a take-home exam, but we have literally 3 days to complete this exam. I want to start with it today and finish with it today. Rots is over 8. Unfortunately, we don't have any electricity. We're running on generators, so I'm gonna have to go write it in the study room, study area, whatever. So let's wake up, let's make this bed and make our way to the study area. I've already brushed my teeth and washed my face, so yeah, no, we're not doing that. But yeah, let's get going.
Chemistry was crazy from the get-go. Neither one of us knew why. We didn't build nothing overnight, cause a love like this takes some time. People swore it off as a phase, said we can't see that. Now from top to bottom, they see that we did that. Yes, it's so true that we've been through it. Yes, we got real yes. See, baby, we've been too strong for too long, and I can't be without you, baby. And I'll be waiting up until you get home, cause I can't sleep without you, baby. Anybody who's ever loved you know just what I feel. Too hard to fake it, nothing can replace it. Call the radio if you just can't be without you, baby. Yeah, I got a question for you. See, I already know the answer, but still I wanna ask you, will you lie? No. Make me cry? No. Do something behind my back and then try to cover it up? Well, neither would I, baby. My love is only leveled up. Yes, I'll be faithful. Yes, I'm for real. Yes, and with us you'll always know the deal. We've been too strong for too long, and I can't be without you, baby. And I'll be waiting up until you get home, cause I can't sleep without you, baby. You know how it feels. Oh my, oh my, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my, yeah. Oh my, oh my, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my. See, let's keep it real.
The student center is so loud, so I don't know if I'm going to, I don't know if I'm going to be doing my assignment here, or I'm going to go to the library. But then also, the library is probably so packed that I'm not even going to get a place to chill and pockets to charge my laptop. So I might as well. This institution will never not be funny to me, because what do you mean this Kosha student center? Go ahead. Kosha students, a student center. I'm really tempted to go back to yours, but I need to finish with this assignment. I'm only on question 2, and it is 4 questions. The aim was to finish the whole assignment today, so I'm on my way to the library to get shit done. The second latest transport leaves campus at 5:20. So when I use the plan, at least mangadlula mangaqeda nje question 2 ngazi ukuthi sasa yenza 3 no 4 uyabo, because I won't be leaving campus at 9. I'm sorry. No. We have officially submitted. We have officially submitted. We have officially submitted our assignment, and once that's done, it's 2:09 now. I wanna go back to bed. To be quite honest, I wanna go back to bed. I'm currently in the study area because my room has no electricity. Guys, but it's fine. Let me go back to bed and I'll check you guys. I'll check in with you guys when we go to campus to start studying for physics. Oh, sorry. It's later on in the day and we're on campus to study until 9 p.m. I'm gonna start studying at 6 though. It's currently past 5 and I also have to eat. I bought myself a quarter before I left the rest. So I just want to sit down and eat. Then we're gonna start studying at 6 p.m. until about 8:30 because the transport leaves at 9 p.m. So yeah.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat with lose within. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Cause I realize I got myself. It's all I got in the end. It's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and it's all I got in the end. It's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling you say that you love me, but you
It's so cold. Because I got banned up.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people.
Good morning, everybody. So I literally just took a shower and wore the clothes I was wearing yesterday because I'm gonna take a walk to Postnet. I need to do my police clearance, whatever. I'm just gonna quickly go there. I'm taking a walk. It's gonna be like a 15-minute walk. Guys, please pray for me. We are not safe, I know, but I need to get this done. And I'm not married, so it's literally gonna be a 15-minute walk. Hopefully coming back I'll get like a taxi or something. But yeah, that's what's up. I also need to get water. I need to refill my water bottle. I'm just gonna take one since I'm walking. So yeah, happy hump day. It's a Wednesday, and yeah, maybe when we get back I'll study. I don't know, honestly I'm tired today, but yeah, let's go. I have to find Postnet Kengoku. I don't even know where it is. We're done at President Hyper. I did what I had to do, go Postnet. Right now I'm on my way to Macro. I want to buy Indomie noodles. They don't have them like President, and I don't want Maggi noodles. I want something I'm gonna enjoy, right? So let's go to Macro. Hi guys, so I just got back from my errands, and yo, I'm so tired. I got back here and I took a shower. Yo, one thing about the sun, the sun will burn you. Anyway, let me give you guys a quick haul. Remember I told you guys that I wanted Indomie noodles? Well, they were out of stock, so I just got these these Kellogg's noodles. They're really nice. I've had them before. And then I got 6 eggs. I got bread as well. I got bread, and then I got myself a new champagne glass because the one from at home is broken. I got this from PP for like 35 rand. It's very nice. And then I also managed to refill my water. Now I'm going to eat and take a power nap because ngikhathele, guys. I told you guys that the walk to President Hypo is 15 minutes. No, it's actually 25 to 30 minutes. And yo, the day I buy a car, the day ke reka A45S yaka, that will be the day, Shem. That will be the day. Anyway, bye guys. I'll catch you guys probably tomorrow or later on today. Guys, maintaining synthetic hair is literally the most work I've ever had to do in my entire 21 years of living. Literally, look, I just straightened it. Well, I don't know, this is not a straightener. This thing, I use it to suganisa the tangles. And then now I'm going to straighten. Well, I usually just straighten this part, but I'm just feeling a little extra today, so I don't even know if it's over effective. And guys, I dropped my straightener the other day, and I feel like she see the way, you know, I said she's a bad, not the way this she's on a corner before. Okay, let me finish this. I'll come to you when I deal with this part. I haven't relaxed this hair in like a week or so, but it's this straight because I literally straighten it every chance I get, really. Oh, Anya's peg. This is literally like so hot. I couldn't believe And I also promised someone that I'll be like going outside, not literally outside, but like Kotala Strata this weekend with them, and I don't see that happening here. But now, do I tell that person or do I just smile? Because goddamn, I'm disappointed. I feel, and there is no explanation. This thing is off. You know, when someone has disappointed you so much in your life, I genuinely don't feel like I owe him anything really. So I'm just gonna text him on the day and I'm just gonna be like, oh, I can't make it. Because that and I'm disappointed. And no one has ever spoken about that. But nah, this system has to go now. It seriously has to go. It's just like, I mean, it was crack. Guys, I don't even greet you guys. Zoom along, people. Okay, so now I'm going in with the hair dryer. Just so these will, you know, blend in properly. This was the equipment I was talking about when I was back home. Because, you know, you've seen my electronics. I just hope the back is also flat now. Because one thing I'm not gonna do is fight for my life with this hair. Guys, I really don't have like any hair food, so I just use this oil that I put in my lotion just to where I wind up. Do you see it? And then now guys, I lay my baby hairs with a bar, and you know what happens after some time with that. So I also put some oil on that to avoid that white residue after some time. And then yeah, we're gonna go today. I'm gonna study on campus, guys. Yes, guess lighter into like studying. Did I study? I'm so bored. But since I'm not doing anything this weekend, like I'm gonna use the weekend to study here. There we go. This is my first time doing baby hairs with this hairstyle, and because I actually like it. I actually kind of like it. Yeah. I just don't like how it stings here, but I think I look decent. Then I put this thing. I don't know what the name of this thing is, and I broke my other one because I'm rough like that. And then I just, this is like my signature style with this hair. Literally. Let me wear some earrings and wear my jacket, and then we are going to study on campus.
Wanna be with you, gotta be with you, need to be with you. Oh, 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 oh. Wanna be with you, gotta be with you, need to be with you. Oh, oh. Chemistry was crazy from the get-go. Neither one of us knew why. We didn't build nothing overnight, cause a love like this takes some time.
Tell me, why you spend 100 Rand on food? $100 on a burger, chips, and a cappuccino. sparring with my mom this whole day, and that's it. For real, I thought I was gonna study until 5, but it's currently 4:30, and cards nje because sengilambile futhi ngqonda mayisebenzisa isuma empty. So I'm just gonna watch some YouTube while I wait for the transports, and then that's how hungry I am. But yeah, today was not the way I wanted it to be, but it was productive. Yeah, like I tried. I only did 1 study unit, whereas I planned to do 2, so I'm a bit behind, but who's watching, you know? Like Ngadoba, and just taking my time, trying to learn the content properly, understand it. I have literally 2 weeks before I write physics, so I'm taking my time. But yeah, that's the update. That's my outfit of the day, by the way. And Nglambe Ngiafa. I'm actually dying, but bye y'all.
No matter what, good or bad, we can fit right or wrong all day, every day.
I literally just posted about how low on energy I am. God, Korea guys outside. Thank you. She know I can tell her shit, cause she back and pussy must up. Let me not even lie. I'm literally still in bed. God, if there's one thing I'm gonna wake up for, it's a freaking I'm so excited. I am like ecstatic. I know exactly what these are. That's the one thing with medium. So I can finally undo my hair, because I got myself. Ooh. Oh, and my scissors are literally right there. Guys, thank you, Jesus. Like, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, that's bag. Look at that, and I'm so glad it looks big enough. You guys know, and my big foot, it's supposed to be a size, it's a 5. I bought a size 5 with 38 or 5. I wanted to buy a size 6 because you guys know what happened the last time when I bought on Shein. But oh my days, oh my guys, my toes are not done, so I'm not gonna show you how it looks. Sihle, muhle, and I'm glad I went for the pink because damn girl, she has got, guys, this is all the motivation I needed. Let me get up and let's go study so that we can have more unboxings in the future. What the heck?